guys! Welcome back again to my channel, and it's me again, Taz Marie. And for those who are new here and for those who are just decided to subscribe, thank you very much for considering to subscribe on my virtual world. And in this video, I am excited to share to you guys that finally I got my dream tablet. Yeah, you have heard it. I was eyeing on this tablet for a while, maybe around 6 months already. I was checking online. I was discerning which tablet would be fit on my needs, especially that I am now back into university. I am taking a short course in the University of Augsburg, and I really feel that I also need this one. On this matter, I want to share it to you, my new tablet. Then here it is, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 with the 8GB RAM with a 256GB memory. So in this video, I'm going to unbox this one and I will share it to you. So we ordered this one, guys, on Samsung online, and they have a promo until, I don't know, maybe until the items will be sold out. So it has come with a cover. This is free, and this is the book cover keyboard for the Galaxy Tab 6. So usually or normally you will buy it, you will purchase it separately, but if you will order it through online, through Samsung shop online, then you will get it free. So I got my tablet in color gray, and that's why the cover is also gray. So I'm excited, guys. Look how thin it is. So it comes like this. It has a little paper cover. Here it's like a shield. I'm so excited. Oh, look how thin. And it's so light. And I will put somewhere here the weight of this one. I think it's around 795 grams or something, and it's so light. And here it's this is the, here is where you can put the pen, and it's magnet. See how beautiful it is. And you can also put it like this. Oh, not like that. It's full. I think here. So not, yeah, like this. No, here is also no, but on this top part. Oh, how nice is it? Let us see here. No, it's only here on the other part. Here is the power button in the navigator. And here is also for the charging, it's Type-C. Oh, I like it. And it has no jack for headphones, so you need to use the Bluetooth headset or the headphone. And the charger, and of course the manual, and the pin, what do you call this one, the small pin to open the SIM slot and the SD card slot. And by the way, this is the LTE version. And now let's open the keyboard, the cover keyboard. Look, you just need to do like this. Oh, we'll show it to you like that. Okay, show it to you how easy. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you have also enjoyed as much as I have enjoyed my experience unboxing my new Tab S6, my new Samsung Tab S6. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Thank you very much. If you have enjoyed, please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you very much. Bye.